What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Here to do a review or kind of share my thoughts on the Clorox Company, ticker CLX. They've been in the news quite a bit recently, given their recent earnings reports from Q4 of 2021. They missed targets by quite a bit, which has caused the stock to revert and correct pretty substantially. Last week, at the end of the last week, there was a day where I believe they traded downwards of more than 15%, and they've continued to trade down even lower. So, this is making the stock, very much more attractive for an entry price. So as you can see here, I have this web page up from the Clorox Company's Investors Relation website, and you can see right now it's trading at around $146 a share. 52-week high is upwards of $196 a share. So quite a bit lower. The stock is now yielding a greater than 3% starting dividend yield. As you can see here, the quarterly payment is $1.16 per quarter. So annualized, it's over $4.50 annualized. So you're getting a starting yield here over 3%. Some of the headwinds that I think are creating struggles for Clorox is that they really strived during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. There was a heightened focus globally on cleaning and disinfecting products, which is what the Clorox Company thrives in. They make bleach, they make disinfecting chemicals, all of that stuff that really everybody during this pandemic was purchasing, and in a lot of cases were stockpiling supplies. I mean, toilet paper always gets the notice, everybody running out and buying all the toilet paper at all the stores. But a lot of the other products for cleaning supplies that Clorox makes were also being stockpiled and buying in bulk during 2020 and parts of 2021 until the COVID-19 vaccine became more readily available and things started trending more towards a normal, getting back to normal. So I think that this is partially contributing to their weaker earnings report for the last quarter of 2021. I think people have already, in that frenzy, purchased and stockpiled a lot of product and subsequently didn't purchase as they normally would in the fourth quarter of last year. So I think that was part of the reason why they're trending. Sales were down, and also they're getting squeezed on margins on their products. A lot of supply chain issues. It's not just focused on Clorox's business. This is around the global economy. Shipping and supply chain are a big problem, and they're creating a lot of rise in prices throughout. So I think that also impacted Clorox's earnings for last year. But moving forward, I don't think, and this is just my opinion, I'm not a professional. This is not investing advice, but I'm just talking about my journey, what I'm planning to do. I think in this trading range, it's very attractive. This stock is on the verge of being a dividend king. They've increased their dividend for, I believe, 46 years consecutively. Please comment below if you know, if that's not correct. I believe that is true. It's a number of consecutive years. It's a very defensive, conservative stock, and getting in at this kind of price range, you're locking in a starting yield of greater than 3%. And if we look at the dividend information on their investor relations page, you can see here they are typically raising their annual dividend pretty substantially year over year and have done so for many years. Maybe not for 2022, the raise might be slightly lower, just given some of the issues and challenges that I just spoke about for, towards the end of 2021. But I would still expect them to raise that dividend in June, sometime in June this year, and will continue for years to come. This is a fabulous company. It's one of the companies, it's a smaller market cap. Their market cap's under 20 billion, and they have a lot of room to grow internationally still. So I really like Clorox. I think this is a great buy if it were to fit your investing objectives. It currently fits mine, and I'll be adding to my position here dollar cost averaging, and I would continue others, of course, to do their research and due diligence before investing or purchasing this stock. This is just my opinion. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Trying to create a bigger audience so that we can connect with more people and share information. So really appreciate it. And until next time, bye-bye.